Hi all, I'm Ben,
Hello, everyone. I'm Axelle.
and we are super excited to be bringing you two different workshops in Cape Town, South Africa. Yes, South Africa. Both of us are flying in to do these training workshops. And the first one is called Visual Storytelling for Work. And that's a 2-day workshop that is happening on the 27th and 28th of February in Cape Town. And then there's visual storytelling for greater impact, and that's 1 day on the 1st of March. So that's the following day, also in Cape Town. But hey, Axelle, I'm wondering why are you training these two workshops?
Well, it's a passion that I have for the last 12 years to teach people in visual storytelling. And I'll tell you how it started for me, and that will explain why I think it's important. Well, 12 years ago, I was a consultant in HR and strategy and communication. And I was also a mediator and a coach. And I was one day at a training about mediation. And there was a lady, and she was scribing. So she was visually recording everything that the speaker was talking about. And I was thinking, oh my God, if that's even a job, I want that job. And happily, there was a training about visual storytelling short after that. And I followed the training, and I remember I felt so excited about it. And I tried to apply it immediately in my job as a coach and a consultant. And it changed everything. It changed my job and it changed my career. And it also changed the impact I had with my clients because suddenly you move from doing your job as a consultant, coaching a team, leaving the company, and you don't leave anything behind. When you make it visual, you leave the company and there are posters that you created, and everyone keeps on seeing what has been happening in the meeting.
Great
And
point.
that had a great impact on my job. It changed everything. Like I said, people came to me easier. They came back. I could use different fees because it was more unique. So it really changed a lot. And then before I knew it, it became my full-time job. So since I felt the impact of that, I felt really, really motivated to train more people to use visuals in their work, especially as a self-employed consultant or coach. It really can make the difference and you really can stand out from others. So that's why I'm so passionate about it.
Wow, that's so cool to hear. That's really, really good to know. So, you might have a similar journey to Axelle. You might be visual curious. You might have seen someone do graphic recording or be at the whiteboard capturing a meeting visually, just like Axelle described. And you want to explore that for yourself. You might want to be having that bigger impact in your work with your team and your clients. So if that's the case, well, then these workshops are for you. If you haven't really been drawing that much, you'll love the first one. That's the 2-day one happening on the 27th and 28th of February. If you already kind of know your way around the whiteboard and you have your own markers and you might be freelancing or contracting, just like the way Axelle said, she migrated from working in a company to working for herself. You might want some more advanced content. We got you. That's what the 1-day workshop is for on the 1st of March. So if you want to know more, check out the link below or above or around, and we would love to see you there. Thanks. Can I ask, why you, like, what's your interest? Why are you training this material?